Welcome YouTube friends. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Nissan Xterra remote because it's not working properly. So today I'm gonna check how we can open and restore this and how we will properly fix this. So first of all, we will remove the battery and check the voltage. If it is still not working, then we need dip the whole circuit and clean by alcohol. If it is not working, then we need remove one by one the push button and we will put in alcohol for a few minutes, and after this we will clean by any kinds of brush, and later on we will fix whether it's working or no. If it is not working, then of course we need to change this little tiny micro switches. So first of all, I will clean and then I will fix. If it is not working, then I will change. So in my case, I cut some wire and I clean, make it a little brush from this wire, and I clean the inner of the push button. So you can see more corrosion inside. So I clean properly. So I'm getting the value by my multimeter. If you don't have multimeter, you can check basically with your car. If it's still not working, you need to replace these micro switches, or we can call it micro push buttons. So first of all, you need to clean. It's not success. We will change this one. This is working, and we will check another one also. So in my case it was not working, so I'm gonna replace this by cheaper Chinese macro switch, which is available in local market, maybe in a few bucks. So I already replaced two micro switches, or micro push buttons we can call it. So let's fix it back and then we will check by car. This is our old versus new. So I did a little modification because we have a very tiny this old one, and the one I got it from the local market. It's a little thicker, I think. So our old switch was really tiny and it's a little big. Anyhow, after replacing everything, we are going to check our Nissan Xterra, and perfect. It's working fine. All the lock and unlock push button, it's working fine. Even the horn is also working. This one is working fine. So thanks for watching our video.